I'm going live because I just got off a live feed with Jim Lee. It's April 16th, 2018. I'm in Central California. Can you guys hear this? It's like a jet is going in a circle followed by a loud boom. When the boom's going off, there's thunder right up here over my head. It's like something, it's like, I don't know how to describe it. It's like something's going in a circle, and now it's starting to rain. This was right over my head as soon as I got off the phone with Jim, or off of the live feed with Jim. This is nuts. I have had a couple people locally contact me about this. It's moving from the east headed west. Has anybody heard this before? This is exactly what Jim's talking about. Experiments. What is this? Have any of you buffered out? Have any of you heard anything like this? This is the nuttiest thing ever, you guys. Can you hear that loud humming thing? I just don't even know what to say. I just don't even know what to think. Jean Ann, can you hear this there in Fresno? I've had two people tell me about this. One was a guy at the swimming pool here where I'm staying in my RV. I don't know how I possibly missed it. I know I'm in the rain. It's probably poisonous. Space War. It's headed west because I can tell it's going away from there. Hi. I'm standing outside in my pajamas, you guys. Is this nuts? Central California, between Fresno and Visalia. Tara. So I'm not going nuts. You guys can all hear this. This is not normal. Bring who I can. I can't. I'm in the rain. No, it's definitely not gunfire, Dave. If you listen, you can hear like something, it's like it's something metal's going in a circle. And then, hear it? Hi, Kathy. This is just crazy. And I was just listening to Jim Lee. Can somebody tag him real fast to come on here and listen to this? Jim, are you on? Slider? Hi, Slider. Can you hear it? Yeah, this is not lightning, Jean Ann. This is not lightning at all. Holy crap, it's getting so cold, you guys. Oh my goodness. Wow, do you hear that? It's setting off the thunder way over here. Wow. I'm getting a little bit nervous standing out here. Wow. No, it's not thunder. What in the world are they doing? My God, you guys, it's like it's coming back toward me. Wow. Oh my God, it is coming toward me. No, there's no shooting range, and that's not like any gun I've ever heard. And the wind is going nuts. Look. me go get a jacket here. Hang on. Anybody else? Whoa. Hang on. You're going into the RV with me. Holy moly. I gotta set you down. Hang on. Oh my God. Okay, I'm going back out. Hang on. Bye. Holy moly. Like it's been a solid 10-15 minutes. No, I'm outside of Fresno, Monica. I had to leave the city because of the EMF. Sam, I'm standing in front of an RV. I guess I could go under it. Yeah, Visalia, California. I'm outside of Visalia, California. You're welcome, Jane. Yeah, I just don't even know what to think. I've never heard anything like this, and you guys know I watch the sky like a hawk. They're attacking us, Slider. They're attacking us because we're doing God's